Now get the shape, triangular shape and the oval shape from the bottom, and let's see what are we gonna do next. Here we are creating a structure like this, and yes, it's an insect, and here it is, lobster is ready. Keep on proceeding further, make the lines like these, circular curvy lines, and in this manner, and let's see what we are going to do with it. You just need to just join them further as we are doing it by making it look like this. And then let's see what are we going to do next. Just get it attached in this way, and let's see what are we gonna do next. Make the leaves and all, and then the stem, and get it arranged in this manner. And here also you can make the small lovely leaves and these patterns and get it colored. Pretty cool. Now here we are creating a house like structure, and then let's see what we are gonna create. Just get it attached in this manner over a curvy platform like this, and then get the bushes designed in this way, and then make the trees on the sides and get the bushes attached and the sun behind. Beautiful enough, isn't it? Now let's see what are we gonna do next. Here you just have to make the pattern like this and keep on making the line as we are making it. And yes, you can imagine we have made a beautiful lovely scooty we are going to make, and make the wheels and put the handle. Pretty amazing.